while back I was given a 50-inch Panasonic TV. The bulb was busted. Oh yeah. See that? Yeah. Lights pooched. Well, it's finally got my ass in gear. I ordered myself a new bulb, so let's get this thing in. Pray that it works. Okay, here we go. Where's power? Oh, there it is. Yes. Right on. Okay, well there we go. She works. So all I got to do now is hook up some HDMIs and all that kind of fun stuff, and I should have a good TV. And I gotta go let my dog in.
Oh, there we go. My 50-inch TV cost me $150 just to replace the bulb. Yeah. Almost forgot the procedure for resetting your timer on your bulb.